production in the harbor.
I think this is a great idea to connect all the countries from Baltic region.
Everybody's studying something different, so you get again like lawyers, people studying physics, electronics. Everybody comes together and works on something together. So that's my ideal idea of the project. So.
Started with Szczecin.
We are turning the yard. We must hold the tack lines and sheet lines on the windward and leeward position.
I feel like these 2 weeks were like this one big exciting moment, but
We're probably climbing the mast, setting the sails, of course.
I think climbing up to the sky when it was windy.
Five. Okay, so 8 are missing.
Teamwork, like when you have to brace. Everybody, like 10 people, all of us have to work together. That's the only way you can get the sails up and moving.
Focused on the wheel that's steer.
2 to 5.
How is modern day pirate doing?
Oh, fine. Look, this is totally steady.
We all have great capacity to change the world. Also, living off comfort zone.
But I believe that sustainability comes within us, and we must start with ourselves.
The most exciting was when we arrived in Visby, because it's one of my favorite places ever.
What is vlogging?
Picking up Josh while you are running.
Good!
The most important is that you need to be patient, always. Also respect other people, because we're in this very special situation.
I really tried when I said I did my best. I guess I thought you'd do the rest. We'll meet in the corner, because together was warmer. I wouldn't want to spend the day without this love. I wouldn't want to spend.
We have to clean everything here, and we managed to do this. And now I know how to take into consideration other people's opinion.
Waves start growing height.
I think it was nice that we had like every kind of weather. Like
Against the storm. You know, you're just standing there hanging on to the life and just looking at the storm coming.
You have to tie these sails in?
Yes.
And you're on the ship with 38 people on board, just going against the storm, going against the tides.
I just love the waves. They're so exciting.
Who is life at the helm? At the moment.
Overall, I think it's very rewarding.
Not bad, right?
Success is activity, is improvement, and L is leadership.
And now we're heading towards Stavanger.
Saw the fjords from Norway, and I was like, wow.
Thank you, Baltic University program,
For most exciting memories, moments.
A great adventure.